guys, welcome to Preferred Shore Real Estate. We're located in downtown Sarasota. We specialize in selling real estate here in the Florida market area. We would love to help you buy and sell your home. You can call us at 941-999-1179. Now let's go take a look at my office. Welcome to our office.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, it's super nice. This is our beautiful pool table.
Oh, wow. Look at this view, though.
Yeah, we have an amazing view. And like I mentioned before, the Saturday Farmers Market is right on Lemon and State Street where...
Like, you can literally see the people walking.
Yep. Yeah, so if you ever want to cool down, just call me. Get you in the AC, get the bathroom. Okay.
This is your office.
This is my office, and this is Preston.
Hi, Preston. Doesn't look like you cleaned up.
No, that's not mine.
No?
No. So right here.
Oh, what's this?
This is one of our 2 conference rooms. So
I like it.
Here's this one. I usually use this one myself.
Oh, yeah? Why so you like the color?
I don't know. It's so I don't have to walk as far. It's the second one. Here's the second one.
Uh-huh, I like it.
Yeah, these are our buyer booklets.
Very nice.
Yeah. So right next door is our commercial team, Ken and Jason, who it's locked, so we can't go in there.
No?
No. Here is Valerie.
Valerie!
Hello.
Are you busy?
Always.
Valerie is the vice president of our company, and this is also Robert's office. And we are obsessed with Valerie, okay?
Valerie's everyone's favorite.
She is the favorite.
Okay, bye, Valerie. Sorry to disturb
Valerie.
you. We won't do it again, I swear.
And then down here is our marketing
Oh,
department.
yeah, it's the best place right here.
Hi, Joe.
What do you got?
Eat lunch here every day. And we also, oh, that's Keith.
Hi.
And right here is our lounge. So a lot of our videos get filmed here. We'll set up podcasts.
How often do I kick you out of this office?
Every day.
That's accurate. How much times a day?
Maybe at least once.
At least once.
Okay. I hope you enjoyed this tour of our downtown Sarasota office. And if you'd like, I think there's info down below that you can click on, but if not, you can call us at 941-999-1179. See you later.
And ask for Jade.
Ask for me.
Kat, you can go now.
Oh.
We're done.
Okay. Bye.